Hey, what's up guys? It's Sir here, and today we're going to be doing something really special. This is my personal build that I built for myself back in 2018. Had a Ryzen 5 2600, a GTX 1060 6GB, 16GB of DDR4 3000 MHz RAM, all on an Asus Strix B450F gaming motherboard. I wanted to keep the build budget oriented, so that's why I kind of stuck with the GTX 1060. Plus, with crypto mining being as popular as it was back then, GPU prices were skyrocketing and so were RAM prices, so I kind of just decided to just stick with a 1060 as it was fine for 1080p gaming and it was just fine for me and my brothers as well. On Thanksgiving, my CPU had failed, and so I had to take it to Micro Center, have them diagnose it, and eventually I upgraded to a Ryzen 7 2700X, and I upgraded my case too to a Thermaltake H200. Have an RGB strip at the side as well as a magnetic side panel so I can just open and close it whenever I want. I cannot reach that. I always wanted to record my first PC build. I mean, that was the plan when I had first built it, but things kind of went south and I couldn't get the video up. I also wanted to record myself swapping cases, but the files had gotten corrupt on my phone and I couldn't really do it, so that's fun. So today we're going to just be rebuilding this PC essentially. It's fine as it is now, but you know, just a quick little bit of maintenance, reapplying some thermal paste on the CPU, making sure everything's okay, and then just doing a little bit of benchmarks. But today we're just going to be rebuilding this PC because I'm bored and I like building computers and more quarantine content for you guys, so let's get to it.
Shingen would make his move.
So that was the video. Sorry for the lack of an outro. We kind of both forgot to press record because it was like super late and we were both super tired. And I'm kind of doing this on the spot, so that's fun. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I have more planned in the future. I'm doing a keyboard build next, hopefully if my keycaps come in. But yeah, just stay tuned for that. Subscribe for more, and you guys have a nice day. I still don't have an outro. Bye.